Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm so excited about the new Foil Quill Freestyle pens. They are a game-changing tool in the craft industry. Let me share a couple of my favorite things about them with you. I love that they're portable, so you can bring them along pretty much anywhere. If you're going to a crop or a retreat with your friends, you don't have to drag your electronic cutting machine with you, and it makes it so much easier to foil on the go. I love to use our battery pack because it has two USB ports, so if I want to use two different size tips, I can have them heating at the same time. You can also plug them into your laptop, your tablet, or a wall adapter, and they're just super easy to use. Another favorite thing I love about them is that you can use them to foil on projects that don't fit in your electronic cutting machine. So if you've got a large bag or something that you can't get into your machine, you can totally foil on it with the Freestyle pens. So let me share a tip with you. I'm not super great at hand lettering or drawing or anything like that, but I do have an extensive stamp collection like most crafters, and I love to use my stamps to make templates for tracing for the Foil Quill Freestyle pens. So let me show you how. I've gone ahead and cut this little mini envelope using my mini envelope punch board, and I want to add some foil right in the center. You can see right down here where I've already got this finished one. So I'm going to show you how to add that image in the center using stamps. So I like to use the magnetic mat as my work surface because it's really easy to hold things in place without going through all of the placement tape. So I'm going to put my material down, my foil down on top, and then I'm going to use the magnets to just kind of smooth out the foil and get a nice transfer that way. All right, so I've got my stamps already placed on my mini precision press. It's just some flowers with a little hooray. And so I'm going to take some permanent ink and just ink up my stamps. And you don't have to worry about getting like a perfect inking job because this is just gonna be a template for you. So once I've done that, I'm going to scoop my magnets out of the way just a little bit so that I can get this precision press in to get a nice, good image. Just press down. And again, I'm not worried too much about how perfect that image is because it's just a template. So for this one, I'm going to use my bold tip so that I can draw nice big lines to get these images transferred. So I'm just going right over the inked image with my bold tip. And the nice thing is you can see as you're working where you've already foiled. So you know where you're at once you pick your pen up and you start over. So I'm finishing up here. One thing I want to mention is that as you're doing this, you may get some of the ink on the tip of your pen. If that happens, no problem. Just wait till your pen cools and then clean it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball and it's good as new. All right, so let's see what we've done here. Cute. Okay, so then what I did is I just folded up my envelope and taped it shut. And then I added some washi tape and some stickers to get that completed. And that's a fun little, you can add a fun little card in there and include that with a gift. So get out your stamps, play around, use them as templates on your Foil Quill Freestyle pen projects and have fun crafting. Thanks for joining me. I'm Allie Dosdell with We Are Memory Keepers.